Hola, hola, mi gente bonita. Hi, my beauties. Hi, my friends. Okay, so as New Year is approaching, I know a lot of you are planning on getting beautiful, even if it's just to be home. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna dress up and I'm gonna be home too. I'm gonna get all glammed up. I'm gonna put a beautiful dress and I'm gonna make my hair big. Anyway, I wanna show you two products that are gonna help you with that right in the comfort of your home. The Vulva Volume and the Volumizing Mist. This is what I want you to do. I want you to part your hair, just like this. Look how my hair is flat right now, because it's very long. I gotta cut it. I'm gonna do a tutorial for you guys. Part your hair, you're gonna put it on, and you're gonna blend. You're gonna put it on, and you're gonna blend. On and blend. Then you're gonna blend it all wherever you want the volume. Put a little more on this side. I parted and I want to blend it in so it doesn't look white. Once it's blended, it doesn't look white. And then that is giving me that, oh, look at that. That is giving me that hold. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to spray everywhere. And I spray and hold. Can you guys see that? Okay, spray and hold. Spray and hold. Spray and hold. I'm gonna blend here a little more, and there's your big hair. There you go. So for New Year's, be your own hairdresser, knock yourself out, do whatever makes you happy. Stay beautiful. I love you guys. Happy New Year.